If your Ford Flex key fob isn't working, replacing the CR2032 battery is often the solution. For 2013-2019 models, you'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Carefully pry open the key fob case at the seam using your tool. Some models have a small notch to help release the clips. Be gentle to avoid damaging the case. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Clean any corrosion from the battery contacts using a soft cloth or alcohol swab to ensure good connection. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up for correct orientation. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Make sure it's fully closed and secure. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it. If your Ford Flex key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. First, enter your vehicle. Then, cycle the ignition by turning the key to the on position without starting the engine. Then turn it off. Refer to your owner's manual or online guides for the exact sequence of button presses required for your model year. If reprogramming fails, the issue might be a faulty keyless entry module. Also, consider that aftermarket fobs can have compatibility issues. Official Ford parts are generally recommended. Always ensure you dispose of the old battery responsibly to comply with environmental regulations.